Tired of manually sending WhatsApp messages one by one to your customers? Let's unlock the power of bulk messaging with Aisensy. First, head over to Aisensy.com and log into your account if you don't have one. Signing up is quick and easy. Now, we need to upload your contacts. Navigate to the audience section, and you'll see options to either upload a CSV file or manually add contacts. Choose the method that works best for you. Ensure your CSV file has a column for phone numbers. Next, go to the campaign section. This is where the magic happens. Click on the Create Campaign button to start a new bulk message campaign. Give your campaign a descriptive name so you can easily track it later, for example, summer sale announcement or new product launch. Time to craft your message. Use the message composer to write compelling text. You can also add images, videos, and even documents to make your message more engaging. Remember to keep it concise and attention-grabbing. Personalization is key. Use Aisensy's variables to insert your customer's name or other details into the message. This makes your message feel more personal and increases engagement. Select your target audience. Aisensy allows you to segment your audience based on various criteria, ensuring your message reaches the right people. Choose when to send your message. You can send it immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. This is perfect for timed promotions or announcements. Review your campaign details one last time, ensuring everything is accurate. Once you're satisfied, click the Send Campaign button. Track your campaign performance. Aisensy provides detailed analytics, allowing you to see how many messages were delivered, opened, and clicked. Use this data to optimize your future campaigns. Now go out there and connect with your customers.